Guys, Rayyan is here, one more enemy game on the LeetCode Cam channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 645 by the name of set mismatch. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question in Python 3, and this is an easy one question which we are solving. And in today's question, there are four topics are included by the name of array, hash table, bit manipulation, and sorting. So yeah, in today's video we are solving this question which is based on four topics, and this is also one of the most popular question in LeetCode Camp. Total 1.2 million people have submitted it, and only 5,55,000 has been accepted, and total acceptance rate is 45.2% only. Okay, so you are thinking we are solving 445 question directly. Why we are not solving our question number 644, because that is law, so that's why we directly come on to the 645 question. But anyways, let's move to computer screen, and I hope you will be enjoy today's question. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, so you can see one more time we came on the LeetCode Camp channel. So in today's video we are solving our question number 645 by the name of set mismatch. So let's start to solve today's question in Python 3, and this question we are solving in Python 3, and this is an easy one question which we are solving. And first of all we start from the question. First of all we read the question just one by one. Okay, step by step we read the question first of all, then we'll start to solve this question, okay, in Python 3. And this question is based on two examples. It is what there is one first example, here you can see it, there's one first example, and here's second example. Okay, so first of all we start from the question. You have a set of integers s, okay, now which originally contains all the numbers from 1 to n. Unfortunately, due to some error, one of the numbers in s got duplicated to another number in the set, which results in repetition of one number and loss of another number. You are given an integer array by the name of nums, which is representing the data status of this set after the error. We want to find a number that occurs twice and the number that is missing, and return them in the form of an array. So first of all, we start from the example 1. Here he created an integer array by the name of nums, in which he wrote in down 1, 2, 2, 4, and the output having coming in the integer array 2 and 3. Okay. So if you see the second example, I mean, so the second example is same as the first example, but the numbers are different. Here he created a one integer array by the name of nums, in which he written down 1, 1. Okay, and the output I'm coming 1, 2, and you are thinking why I'm saying it integer array, because it is created in the brackets, so that's why. And there are some of the constants are also being included here. You can see it here. So, but anyways, let's start to solve today's question in Python 3. So this is an easy one question, and this is in the four topics this question is based on, and today 1.2 million people have submitted it. Here you can see again and again the most popular questions are has been came. Okay, so now let's start to solve in Python 3. So first of all, what we gonna do now? First of all, enter press here. So as usually, first of all we start from a class for solution. Then we define def find error nums, set comma nums one more time, dup comma missing equals to -1 comma -1. Perfect. Enter for I in range. So it is here I'm defining a for loop. Okay, 1 comma length nums. Here I'm founding the length of one nums integer array. Okay, and then we define a semicolon. Define a count equals to nums dot count and then I. If count equals to 2, dup equals to I. Enter elif count equals to 0, semicolon, enter. Missing equals to 1, enter, back, return dup comma missing. Perfect. Now we have written about these all the codes, and the last thing is to run this code. But first of all, press enter here one more time. Now let's run it. So now let's see. So now it has been giving me first line with type of error missing. Okay, invalid syntax. So I think invalid syntax means by mistake I write here colon. So when I remove the colon, so let's see. So it is giving me, still it is giving me an error. Let's see. Okay, let's select these all the things, rewrite here one comment, then the 645 set mismatch easy, and then define here print okay, in the double colon, in the double rounded colon define a. So now let's run this code. So now when I run this code, so now it has been accepted. Here you can see the we did not define this comment, so that's why it is giving you an error. So here you can see it when I define the comment, and then when I run it, so it has been accepted. The both cases are accepted successfully. Yeah, so let's submit this code. So when I submit this code, so our submission code is also be it is judging now. So when I judge, so then let's see it is accept judge, let's say it is submitted or not. So it has been successfully submitted and I beat 5% people. So let's post this solution here. So it is taking loading, and here I posted. So here you can see in today's video we solve question number 645 by the name of set mismatch. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more running these type of tutorials. And come on to my profile by the name of Rayyan, so you can also view my profile from here. Okay, and here one more badge here has been came on my profile, 100 days badge. Here you can see it. So one more achievement has been came, and here you can see it. You can also be view my profile, and total 293 question I have solved. So I'm very near to 300 question. So fastly I will be complete 300 question, then we our target is to complete 400, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 1000. Okay, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and let's meet in the next video. But first of all, come on to my channel by the name of Rayyan. So first of all, view my all the videos from start to end, and 451k subscriber you have completed on this channel so far. Okay, and then come on to the playlist, and come on to this LeetCode camp playlist. So please access this playlist and bookmark it also. Why you are not accessing it, bookmark it also. And total 162 views you have completed on this place, so please complete it 500 views. But anyways, let's meet you in the next video, and next very amazing video like this, because more videos are waiting for you and it will become as soon as possible. But anyways, let's meet you in next video, amazing video like this. So for today, goodbye.